Hello and welcome to our Python tutorial where we will look into a dataset of cars from OLX. We will go through each a code block explaining what it does and how it helps us understand the data. Let's get started. First up, we are loading the dataset using Pandas. It's a simple command pd.readcsv. This loads our data into a data frame which is like a spreadsheet that Python can easily understand. With df.describe, we are asking Python to give us a summary of all the numerical columns. This includes things like average, values, minimums and maximums, a quick snapshot of our data. By using df.head, we are taking a quick look at the first 5 rows of our data frame. It's like previewing the first 10 pages of a book. By using df.tail, we are looking at the last 10 rows of our data frame. By using Here's an interesting part. df.replace, we are converting specific text in our data to numbers. This is important for any calculation that we will do later. We use df.isNot.sum to find any missing values in our dataset. It's a straightforward way to spot any gaps in our data. If there were any missing values, we would have used df.dropNA in place equals true, but since we don't have missing values, we will move forward. The df transmission value count line is about counting. We are especially counting how many cars have automatic transmissions and how many have manual.
In this code, we are calculating number of unique cars. We want to know how many different kinds of car names are listed on the dataset. To do this, we'll use df carname.nUnique. For the comparison graph, we group the data by car make, calculate the average price and then plot it. This is done using group by, mean and Seaborn's bar plot. We create a scatter plot using sns.scatterplot. This graph is plotting kilometers driven against the price to see if there is any visible relationship between them. Next, we use sns.histplot to create a histogram of car prices. This gives us a visual representation of how the prices are distributed. Finally, using sns.heatmap, we generate a correlation heat map. This tells us if numerical values in our dataset are related to each other. That's it. We have gone through our OLX car dataset and uncovered some interesting insights using Python.